Alright guys, so Apple just dropped a brand new phone, the iPhone Air. But first, let's do the unboxing. So it's as thin as the USB-C cable provided with you in the box. This phone is crazy thin, as you guys can see. You can't really tell from just looking at it on the video. You just have to grab it by yourself and have a feel of it, like, so you can see how thin it actually is. It's actually insane, and it weighs about 165 grams, which is approximately half of the iPhone 17 Pro Max's. It's made of titanium, which makes it literally impossible to bend. Apple claims this is their most durable iPhone yet, and I've seen a couple of TikTok videos of people trying to build it, and yeah, I can't tell you guys that this one is actually strong. I think Apple might be right here, because this one is actually very good. The battery is pretty solid actually. Apple claims 27 hours of video, but then it obviously depends on how you actually use it. So the cameras. On the back you get one camera, a 48 megapixel main shooter lens, no ultra wide or telephoto, just one single camera lens. And on the front you get an 18 megapixel camera. You get a 6.5-inch Super Retina OLED display with ProMotion 120Hz. And on the inside is rocking the latest A19 Pro, the same ones used in the Pro model. And it also supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. And eSIM only, there's no physical SIM slots. So more on the battery and the phone's performance in games than I need to use. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss that video when it drops, which should be dropping in a few